What's going on, friends? My name is Scott from KONIG, and I am here to bring you an unboxing. That's right, the new Ultragram is here. We actually brought this baby over from our warehouse so that you can see what it looks like when you receive one of these boxes right on your doorstep. So let's get into it, the KONIG Ultragram. Comes to you right from the package man that delivers it to you on your doorstep. This is what you're going to see unless your retailer has done something spiffy with another box. So let's get into it right now. We're going to cut this beautiful tape and get this wheel out. This is the Carbon Metallic Bronze. Nope, Carbon Bronze Metallic. And so the first thing you see is a little hefty note here. Take note of this, it's actually pretty important. You want to test fit these wheels prior to putting a tire on them. It smells nice. We got some hard corners. Yep, more packing material, trying to keep these wheels safe. We'll just toss that over there. This baby comes in a nice little bag. See, we're trying to keep dust out. It's an incredible thing. So then what do we see? We see ring protector on the back, ring protector on the front, and just to make sure that you got the goods, you'll see right here, the good old full form wheel booty. There's a lot of other booties, but this is a wheel booty. When we start to get into the wheel here, you can see, I'm gonna ditch this in just 2 seconds. Before we toss this box out, you can see the center cap is right beneath the wheel. You can notice that we put it in a little box here. It says remove from the wheel before track use. Important measure to note, most series don't allow you to run center caps. If you're gonna head in the track, take the center caps out of the wheel. That's usually where they're caught flying off the most. So let's take them out. Get that out of our way. Center cap, we got a wheel. Excellent. Valve holes at 6 o'clock. Now we are looking good. Again, Carbon Bronze Metallic comes with neural beading. It's pretty slick. This will keep the tire from rotating under high torque applications. Something new for us is a different flange design. So you can see here, there's more of a C-channel flange. This is meant to help rigidity and improve the rigidity on this back flange, where you will see that a lot of racers and a lot of people that are gonna be doing things like hard curb checking are gonna experience most of their issues. So we have increased the rigidity on this back flange, and this Carbon Bronze Metallic wheel is looking fresh. Let's get the center cap in there, right? Okay. This on this wheel, the Ultragram, is a pop-in cap. Now, it is a plastic back with the tongs. We use this tension ring in here to make sure that the tongs are perfectly stout there. Now, this is a metal cap on the front part, hard plastic engraved logo. This is not a cheap cap. We started this last year when we did the heliogram and the neoform. Anyhow, here it is. It's real easy to put in. You just go ahead and push it right in. Let me make sure I'm lined up correctly. And then, boom, there you go. Now the wheel is complete. So that's it, friends. This is the KONIG Ultragram. It's in a B profile. This is an 18-inch, the Carbon Bronze Metallic, looking right in all its righteousness and lightweight performance dreams. It's right here, available. Make sure you check out your local retailers. Also, you can find more information about this wheel on our website, konigwheels.com. Click on the Wheels tab, then on this picture, and you'll be able to find all the information you want. Take care of yourself. We'll catch you on the next one.